Is there an unresponsive app stuck on your screen? If you can't close a program, you can force close an app on Windows using these different methods we have for you in this video. So for the first method, you can select the unresponsive program, then press the Alt and the F4 keys all together to force quit an application in any version of Windows. But in some laptop keyboards, you may also have to press the Fn, Alt, and the F4 all together. Next up, using Windows taskbar to force close a program, do it by right-clicking the taskbar, choose Task Manager, select the unresponsive program, then choose End Task for the program to be forced closed. For another method, using the taskbar, you have to open Windows Settings, click System, select For Developers, toggle on End Task, right-click on an unresponsive app in the taskbar, then click End Task in the pop-up window. Now that's how to force a program to close in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.